Hey guys, morning. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. All the links are going to be in my bio, as well as probably the comments in the description somewhere. I know I'm pretty bad at posting the links and stuff, but you guys can join anywhere you want. You just got to find it. I'm so bullish on Bitcoin. I got a couple requests, I think, on Bitcoin, XRP, Doggy, Shiba. So I'll just run through a bunch of cryptos. I think Litecoin as well, Ethereum Classic. So I'll run through a bunch of this. Will be like my big video of TA for crypto. So I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. I've done a couple of videos on why I think it's gonna keep pushing up. I'm not gonna do like a full TA on why I think crypto's gonna keep going to like 106, or not crypto, but more so Bitcoin, right? On why I think it's gonna keep going to 106, roughly 110. But really, I've just been monitoring it with my weekly charts, right? That's really it. I mean, there's nothing else that I can really, say, but it's more so, I really just think that it's going to keep pushing up to the upside, right? So again, we can do this every single time. There you go. So as of right now, I'm looking for that channel that I had before was kind of like a sub channel of this huge channel right here, right? Where I do think that this middle part, because you always have resistance at these middle portions. So again, this is the top of channel, middle, the actual middle, another like sub middle, and then the top middle, right? And then again, if you want to learn all this, you guys can join my Patreon, right? I teach you guys how to create these channels successfully, how to make everything work. And again, the channels work extremely well, right? The channels work super, super well, and they do really, really well. I mean, I have probably better examples, but we'll talk about that later. Again, see, right? Here's a channel, boom, 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 breaks up, right? There you go. So again, as of right now, I'm looking for a sub-channel target of like 110, right? So I do think you're probably headed to like 110, and hard target is going to be like a 120, right? My ultimate target for Bitcoin was actually 130K, but that was till next year, July. So the fact that we're actually rushing there pretty fast is kind of insane. And we can actually look at the total, right? Because the total market cap is actually going to dictate whether, how far we're actually pushing, right? And again, if you go to the monthly, right, you guys can see exactly, exactly where we're headed. Actually, I got so much stuff going on right here, bro. I probably have to redo this. Redo this channel because this looks ugly. Take that off. There you go. So again, I like to mark my total as far as like actual, what is it called? As far as actual market cap, right? So total actually works by running on market cap. It doesn't actually work off of anything else. So that's why I have it set at 3 trillion, 3.5, 4 trillion, because total market cap of crypto actually works based off of that. It actually works based off of hitting these big resistance, like, psychological levels, whatever, right? And then it keeps pushing towards, it keeps going up higher, right? So the next level up here would be 4.5 trillion, and then also 5 trillion lows above this major $3.5 trillion level. So as of right now, I'm like almost 99% sure we're going to go to 4 trillion, right? It's really, really, really that simple, where I think that after you actually close a actual, psychological level, I do think that you're headed to the next psychological level, right? And that happens every single time, right? You essentially close above a certain, the easiest way to put this is close above a blue line on the weekly, you're more than likely headed to the next blue line, right? So I would not be scared of Bitcoin dropping at all unless you close under like a $3.39 trillion market cap, right? Because it's that open of that bull candle right here on the weekly, right? And look at that, you have a huge long tail. So I'm 99% sure you're going to a $4 trillion market cap overall in the crypto space, right? But again, let's go with Ethereum. And again, I called Ethereum out like a long time ago, and I told you guys, like, look, it literally just hit my main target of 4,000 bucks, right? My main target was here at 3.9 and then rejected, right? But I do think you're gonna keep going up higher. And again, it just, Ethereum just hit my ultimate target right now. The next target obviously would be up here. My next target would be right there at 4,791. And if you break that, right, man, if you break that target, my next target on Ethereum would be right there. And again, man, these are just easy targets. There you go. If you break that high, my next target would be 7,298. And if you've been watching my videos, I called out Ethereum like right here, right? I said almost to the T. I said, you guys are going to be running up to from 2,000 bucks. I'm like, these are going to be where you're going, right? And what happened exactly? Pushed up to my target, came down, pushed up again, and you guys hit the top of my target every single time. So you guys hit the top of my target, rejected, came back up, hit the top of my target, and now I think you're actually getting ready to keep pushing up. So next target is 4,787. After that, you're probably looking at a 7,335. So again, all my Ethereum targets hit. For Bitcoin, all my Bitcoin targets hit, right? Every single Bitcoin target that I've had hit. Except for down here. I actually really thought down here, if we were going to crash, it was going to happen somewhere in this area, right? And I actually had a lower target here of actual 40K, but because you held up, I was like, okay, cool. Once we actually closed right here, once we went to 69K, I was like, this shit's going to like a fucking 100K, and I knew it. As soon as this candle hit on October 14th, I was like, this shit's going to 100K easy. So again, my next target is 110 to 122 range on Bitcoin. All my Ethereum targets hit. XRP, USD. Let's go with XRP. I haven't checked the USD. There you go. XRP just hit my target again. Look at that. 2.42 is my target. And again, what? You have that main channel. Look at that. So again, same thing. You hit the top of channel, and you're just kind of seeing what happens next. So as of right now, this is how easy you can make your targets. Because you actually did break and close above, close above target, I can tell you right now, you're probably going to go up a little bit higher to like 2.989, somewhere around that range, right? But because that actually breaks the channel, because you actually break the channel, then your next target would probably be like a 5.2 and like an 8.9 on XRP. But keep in mind, you can actually just completely reject from here because you're at the top of channel. So as of right now, if you didn't get back in XRP, right, when I was calling it out back here like at 50 cents, right? And I've been calling it out for a long time. I would have told you guys to buy at 50 cents. I would have told you guys to buy here at 59 cents, right? I would have told you guys to buy, where's my monthly, right? Right, I would have told you guys to buy here at 51 cents, right? And again, you're just listening to the triggers too. Like, I mean, there's other strategies you can use, but if you're blindly just listening to the triggers for your long term, you would have bought here. You would have bought at 60 cents, right? You would have bought at 51 cents, bro. You would have bought at here. You would have bought at 52 cents, right? I mean, you would have bought here. You would have bought at 40 cents, right? You would have bought here at 36 cents, and you would have just held until this huge pop. And I would have, if I had any XRP, I'd be selling the fuck out of everything right now. Because again, you're rejecting from your major target of 2.47, right? So as of right now, you could come down on XRP all the way down to like a 1.28. And XRP is kind of funky, right? XRP is kind of weird, so I don't really know exactly where from here. I think I need a little bit more data. I'm not sure if it's going to keep pushing up or come back down. It could literally do either or, right? If you break a bullish candle above this top of channel, you're probably going straight to like a 7.5, right? If you can't break this level, you're probably going to reject back down, I'd say, to like 64 cents, right? Is there any other, maybe not 64, you'd probably come down to like roughly maybe like a 94 cents, maybe like $1.05. Maybe you wick down and then you come up to like a 105, something like that. But again, there's not enough. I need more information and more candles to close up here to kind of tell what XRP is going. But again, XRP hit all my targets. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you guys. For Doggy, my main target, I remember when I was working on this, it was like 46 cents, right? Boom, what happened? 47 cents. Hit my target exactly, and now it's coming right back down, right? That was my main target on Doggy, right? 46 cents. It hit every single one of my targets, everything. Doggy. Actually, we'll have to use a different chart because that's not enough time. Let's go with Binance. There you go. See? Boom. Hit my target of 45 cents and then hit the fib on 47, rejecting, right? I called out Doggy at like, dude, I would have told you guys to buy right here at 10 cents, right? I would have told you guys to buy right here at 12 cents, right? If you looked at the triggers blindly, right, you would have put a bunch of money right here at 10 cents. You would have run this from 10 cents. You would have done a 500% gain from September till now. September, October, in 3 months, you would have done a 500% gain. What is it? So all my targets hit on Doggy. Ethereum Classic, right? Ethereum Classic, right? You're hitting the top of channel. And then look, I literally said you're going to go from right here. I think the last time we had a candle like down here, I'm like, you're going to go up to this mid channel of 38 cents, right? What happened? Yeah, Ethereum Classic, again, hit my targets exactly. Bro, I mean, come on, dude. Like, I can only do so much to help everybody out before, so let's get rid of this. So Ethereum Classic, we can start from scratch again. We can probably use, looks like you have a new channel here, right? So it looks like you do have a new channel. We'll run it like this. That's fine. Something like that. I like this. I like that. Now let's clone it and let's see if I'm actually right. Oh, yeah, it's perfect. Why is it perfect? Because, again, without even looking at it, your top of this wick here is hitting that mid channel that I want. So again, this is a perfect channel that I'm looking for. A perfect new channel, right? So again, so we called out that middle tap, right? Again, don't know where Ethereum Classic. I need a little bit more information on ETC, right? I don't have an actual target on Ethereum Classic right now. Oh, told me my network's kind of come down a bit, bro. Sheep. Anything on sheep? Nope. Okay. I mean, yeah, there's not really much. There's not really much more I can do for you guys. You know what I mean? Like I've called these out like for so long, not even for so long. I just called them out at such low prices where I was like, hey man, this is gonna hit again. Shiba target right here, 99 or the total 3 target for my what is it called? For the totality of like the meme coin, altcoin target, right? You just hit my target. It looks like you're probably going to keep pushing up to a $1.32 trillion market cap. Again, I need more information. Overall, I'm extremely bullish on the crypto market, strictly because Bitcoin is, continuously pushing, right? So again, I do think that the next stop for crypto is anywhere between 110 to 121, or not crypto, but for Bitcoin specifically. And then for the other targets, right, I need a little bit more information. But for Bitcoin, my target is somewhere between like 110, 120. That's kind of where I stand right now. See you guys later. Bye-bye.